Introduction to Deep Work and Cold Turkey Blocker.
Deep work means focusing without distractions to achieve your best results. Cold Turkey Blocker is a powerful tool designed to help you achieve this by blocking distracting websites and apps. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to use Cold Turkey Blocker to schedule focused work sessions and build habits for greater productivity.
Installing and setting up Cold Turkey Blocker.
Begin by downloading Cold Turkey Blocker from its official website and completing the installation process. Once installed, open the application. You'll find a simple dashboard where you can create block lists, schedule sessions, and customize your preferences. Take a moment to explore the settings so you can tailor the tool to your workflow.
Rating custom block lists.
To maximize focus, create block lists of websites and applications that tend to distract you, like social media, streaming services, or news sites. Give your list a clear name, then add the sites or programs you want blocked during deep work sessions. You can create multiple lists for different purposes, such as study, writing, or meetings.
Scheduling focused work sessions.
With your block lists ready, schedule focused work sessions. Choose the block list you want to activate, select the days and times, and set session durations. Cold Turkey Blocker will automatically prevent access to the listed sites and apps during your chosen periods, helping you maintain concentration. Use recurring schedules to reinforce daily deep work habits.
Tips for getting the most out of Cold Turkey Blocker.
For best results, combine cold turkey sessions with clear goals and work breaks. If you need flexibility, use the frozen turkey feature for unplanned focus time. Remember, once a session is started, it cannot easily be stopped, ensuring you stay on track. Adjust your block lists as needed and celebrate your progress towards greater productivity.